Hi beauties, welcome to today's video. If you are new here, hi, I'm Amanda. My friends call me Min. If you're not new here, thanks for joining again. Today we're doing another full face of new makeup. I know, I just did one of these. Now we're doing another one. Things have been coming out like crazy. I think a couple of these might have been out for some time, but it's just my first time trying them. So if that sounds like something you want to see, then keep on watching. Alright, I have already washed and did my skincare. I used the Glow Recipe Plump Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I absolutely love this stuff. I'm now going to go in with the LYS Beauty Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. I have heard such amazing things about this primer. This is what the bottle looks like. It is like a triangle shaped, which is very unique. It says to put a thin layer all over the face, let it set for 60 seconds to get sticky, and then apply your foundation, or you can leave it without foundation and use it as like your skincare. It comes out in a super liquidy form. Kind of reminds me of the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip. So we're going to just put this on. Pushing it into the skin. While we let that sit, for my foundation, I have been wanting to try the Tom Ford Traceless Soft Matte Foundation for so long. But in Canada, a bottle of that goes for like $110. That's insane. So I did get this little sample booklet. You can see the light and medium are taken out. I have them right here. We're gonna mix them up on a little tray because I think that's what I need to do to get my color. Alright, so I have that mixed up on my little tray here. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and let's just see how this goes. There we have the foundation on. I did build it up a little bit in a couple spots like I always do. It blended in nicely. We'll see. For concealer, I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Super Stay. I really enjoy this stuff and it's super affordable. Now I do have the new contour stick from Rare Beauty. This is the Warm Wishes Effortless Bronzer Stick. Mine is in the shade Happy Soul. It says it is a mistake-proof bronzer in a convenient stick. Formula that melts seamlessly into the skin for natural looking warmth and dimension. This is the box. The stick itself comes in a nice little package. It went on extremely smooth and creamy. I'm excited to try this. So we're just gonna start doing a few lines around the face. I'm going to take my Patrick Ta contour brush and just going over it with the sponge. Really soften out the lines. Actually, that contour stick is really nice. It's creamy. I don't know which one I like better, the new Tarte palette or the Rare Beauty contour stick. I'm gonna have to try them out a little bit longer and let you guys know which one is better. Since I have this in my hand, this is the new Tarte Sea Cream Blush and Contour Palette. I'm going to go in with Peach Paradise right here. Just on my beauty blender. In with some of my Rare Beauty setting powder. I've been really enjoying this. I'm going to get some on my sponge, set my under eyes. With her brush, I'm going to set the rest of my face. Just now, on top of all my cream products and that powder I just set with, I do want to go in with the new Too Faced Hot Cocoa. This is a limited edition bronzer. I love it. It gives a really nice look to the cheekbones. And I still have a good fair amount of color on my cheeks from using the blush. Setting it didn't really take away from that, so I don't really need to do any more blush. Now I'm just going to quickly do these eyebrows using my Fenty Beauty eyebrow pencil. I don't have anything new, so we'll be right. So I forgot that I do actually have the Cosus Air Brow Tinted Volumizing Treatment Gel. This is what the bottle looks like. I think the packaging is super cute. I don't know if you can even see that. I'll put a picture here. I did fill in my brows with my pencil, so now I'm just going to take this and, I don't know, set them. I don't typically use a lot of products like this, but maybe this will change my mind. We'll see. The shade is nice, it went on nice. We'll see if it starts to flake away throughout the day or anything like that. Now for the fun part. We have two of the new Pat McGrath Bridgerton products. We have the Eyeshadow Palette, which looks absolutely stunning. And then the highlighter. When you open it up, it is embossed. Starting off with the eyeshadow palette, taking my Tom Ford number 13 and this lightest pink shade right here. And we're going to just start layering this right up in the crease. Now with my Refer 13 and this deep shade right here, I'm going to start creating, I think, like a halo eye. So I'm going to pack this in the inner and outer corner. Now I'm going to take this amazing blue shade. This is such a beautiful, beautiful color. And I'm going to dab that right in the center, just using my finger. Now back in with my Refer 13 and that deep shade, I'm just going to slightly go over those dark parts just to bring them back out. Now in with my Refer 02, and again, that deep plummy shade. I'm going to sweep that under the lower lash line. Diving in to the beautiful highlight, I'm going to take my Refer 03 and we're going to pop this right in the inner corner of the eye. With my Morphe 2 highlighting brush, we're going to pop this bad boy right on our face. Ooh, that is pretty. And I'm going to also put a tiny bit right under my brow bone. To set my face, I'm just going to use the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. I'm going to finish my eyes by adding some liner and lashes, or mascara actually. I don't usually wear lashes, so liner and mascara might fix up my lip, and we'll be right back. Okay, I finished off the eyes. I just used a ColourPop black liner. I used a light blue one in the waterline and used the Rare Beauty mascara, and this is how it is all looking. Let me pull you in a little bit closer and we'll have a better look. This is everything. That highlight from Pat McGrath is stunning. The foundation is sitting really nicely on the skin. Love the contour stick. Anyways, guys, that is it. So far on like first impressions, I like just about everything I tried out today, which, I don't know, sometimes it can be hit or miss. The Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette, the Bridgerton one, is it worth the money? I don't know. I have some of her other ones, her big mothership palettes, and something is just a little bit lackluster, I think, with this palette. Her highlighter, though, in the 002 Incandescent Gold is absolutely stunning. Love that. The Rare Beauty contour stick was great. Is it as good as the Tarte C Cream Blush and Contour palette? I don't know. I think I might like this one a little bit more. Don't get me wrong, the stick from Rare Beauty is beautiful. It blended seamlessly into the skin, but I do like that this one has kind of everything you need in it. If you just wanted to something throw into your purse and have with you, definitely this is the way to go. The Tom Ford foundation, under first impressions, is it worth the $110? Probably not, no. I have other cheaper ones in my collection that give the exact same finish and look to the skin that are half the price, some of them even quarter of the price. Anyways, if you guys like videos like this, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to head down there, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to be notified of upcoming videos, then hit the bell. I'm going to be doing a fun video, or a series of videos, 2 videos to be exact. I'm going to do my most expensive full face look, and then I'm going to dupe it with super affordable brands that you can create the exact same look with. So if you don't want to miss that, then hit the bell. Anyways, until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day or night.